Hey everybody, I got a new leopard gecko. He is Blizzard. He's a male. He's just a young guy. I'm not sure how old he is really. I was told he was a year, but I doubt it. Let's say a couple months. Still very young. Tries to bite me all the time. Very beautiful. Get that little freckle on his head. So far he hasn't really touched superworms. I gotta try mealworms. All he's really been eating so far was crickets. Dusted crickets. Just a beautiful gecko. He looks like he's male so far. If he's a female, then so be it. If he's a male, well, I'll probably be breeding him with all my other ones. Tried biting me on the way down, bastard. Just little. Well, I'll have more videos on him and my other guys, all my other ones. Yeah, just comment on them, rate them, do everything. Thanks, bye.